Hello friends, so today we're going to look at the eagle life cycle, and this presentation has been made by Ryan, that is me. So let's go in it, and the glossary will be at the end of the presentation. So stage 1, egg. Physical traits are like when you look at something, and behavioral traits are how they behave. So physical traits, the embryos start as eggs. This is an egg. Behavioral traits. The mother lays about 1 to 3 eggs. The parents make 10 feet areas for the embryo. Stage 2, eaglets. Physical traits. After eaglets hatch, they are covered with gray or white down. Behavioral traits. Eaglets hatch after 30